My name is Pat, and I'd like to show you in just a few simple steps with detailed instructions on how to make this simple mask, reversible mask sizes for 5 different face types. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ladies mask. I have my 9" by 6" fabric, 2 pieces, and also 2 pieces of my 7" elastic, and this elastic is 1/4 inch. Okay, pinning instructions. Right sides together. Take your first piece of elastic, place it diagonally in the corner. And then when you're pinning to the other side, make sure that your elastic isn't twisted and try to keep it at a diagonal. And what you want to do is pin for an opening. Make sure that you do not sew over this because you will have to turn your fabric inside out. I'm pressing under this seam. Okay, next step now is the pinning. So you want to look at your opening there and make sure that these 2 pieces of the flap are together, and then you're just going to pin that. Okay, and now you move to the sides and you're going to create your pleats. I'm only doing 2 pleats in this. You want to make sure that your pleats are on a straight edge there with the fabric. And then the other one. So what I do when I get to this point, I'm looking to see, are these about the same length here at the start of the pleat. And before I sew it, I just want to show you that the pleats must be going in the same direction. I have a 1/4 inch seam on either ends where the elastic is, but on the top I want 1/8 inch because I want to make sure that I'm going to grab this open space.